Harare business tycoon Kudakwa Tagwirei has revealed that he was placed in a medically induced coma during a recent operation to remove his gallbladder after doctors discovered gallstones. Nzanapinda mashoko buda panguva inonyekwa vachinzi Tagwirei's coma scare. Billionaire reviews the moment he feared death. Don't forget subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tiuda panguva ine yatoona kuti this speculation inenge dzakambocirculata. Tiona vakomana veUnder 23 vakaita sana Lin M panguva ino vachiposta now is but people they saw as if dziri propaganda but it was truth. Panguva ine mubuda nyongwa muchinzi speaking at the 7th day Adventist Church in Central Harare on August 1. The 57-year-old Secunda holding boss said reports that he had been seriously ill were misleading, explaining that he had undergone surgery to address the condition. Tagwirei recalled waking from the coma and immediately wanting to see his wife, saying the frightening experience reminded him of the importance of family. The businessman also questioned why the gallbladder is often described as non-essential, joking that he believes science may yet discover its full purpose. Tagwirei, a sanctioned businessman in the US and the UK, has faced scrutiny over his close links to government and ZANU-PF. He has recently joined the party's Central Committee and has donated hundreds of vehicles to senior party officials, fueling speculation about his growing political influence. Ndoma developments ari kuda panguva ine panhau yakuda kuchitagwirei pamwechete aiwa the surgery yaakanga he was undergoing. Pina comment section medu mudza mafungiro enyu moti kudii pamusoro pechiitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.